There you go. Speak up. Sorry.
Besides, what's your name?
Danielle.
This is Danielle and
Melissa.
Melissa,
Larissa.
Larissa,
Narelle.
and Narelle. And where are you girls from?
Langwarrin Secondary College and Evla.
Avila
And Woodley.
and Woodley. And you, I suppose you're from somewhere else too? No?
She doesn't go to school.
No, okay.
All right, girls. We'll let Daniel. You want to call heads or tails? Okay. So Joey, can you flick the coin? Heads.
Heads it is.
Heads it is. You get to pick the song title, one or two, and who you want to mime for you.
Joey.
Oh, great. Anyway.
One, go right.
They go for the young ones, don't they? All right. So what is it?
It's
Number
one.
Number one.
Number one.
And Joey will be acting out the title.
Right.
Okay, so now you can give him a number of words. You know it's a pop title, and now Joey, over to you.
Right. Here we go.
Read it.
Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3.
5 words.
5 words. Right.
Start. First word.
This word. Right. Second one.
Second word.
Good start, Joey.
Third word.
Oh,
Whoa. Fourth. Sounds like. In.
Hey. Don't talk! This is miming.
Whenever you walk in my room. When you walk in your room.
Whoa!
When you walk in the room, by Paul Carrick.
How many?
Is that good?
No, it's bad.
It's pretty average, but I don't know how I...
Come on, do this one.
Okay. Ours is 4 words, okay, girls? Right.
Sounds like.
Turn. Twist. Screw. Turn. Unwind. Wind. Sounds like mind. Mind.
First word.
Pan.
Frying pan. Fry.
I've been sick this week. I've been sick.
All right.
Sounds like
Hard night.
sway. Fry.
I'm blinded.
Third word. Sounds like I. My mind. Friday on my mind.
Hey!
You nearly did it.
It was, yeah.
You nearly did it.
I don't know how I could have done that much better.
That was very difficult. I must say.
Friday, I was trying to get Friday.
That was very-
They got the mind part, that wasn't a problem, but
I would have done that. Fry.
would you?
Yeah.
It's probably where I went wrong. All right, listen, yes, okay, I'm glad that's over. I broke out in a hot sweat there. We've got games for everybody. There's chocolates.
I tell you what you should do next time
What should I do next time?
is have somebody substitute for you
I might.
and get Marie to do it.
Yeah, I
Put the
should.
hard stuff
You're
on
right.
her.
Yeah, I should. Yes,
That's
you're
it,
right.
see?
Thanks, Joey.
No worries.
All right, we got lots more to come. Here's a break, and we'll be back.